Alrighty guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode on strc's, I was changing the screws in the bell crank right there. I got my receiver put down. I still got to glue it. And then I still have to plug my motor wires up. And I just got done installing the strc hinge pin front brace. And let me tell you, the hinge pin right there, that is a whole lot better than fooling with these. Then you have to put like a little clip on the end, so forget that. I was wanting blue, but they didn't have it, so I got red. But you know what? I don't care. So yeah, my backslash is almost put back together. And yeah, my table's a mess. There's my bird. And I done got both of these batteries charged. Maybe play with it tomorrow. So I just thought I'd pop on here for a minute to let you all know what I've been doing today. If it's beautiful outside like it is, just get outside and rip it no matter what. If you're rock crawling, doing speed runs, drifting, playing with your RC boats, airplanes, helicopters, or drones, if it's pretty outside, get outside and do something. Well, this is the end of the video. I'm going to shut up. I'm going to edit this video. Talk to y'all later. Hope the weather is perfect wherever you're from, because the weather down here is pretty good. And to all the new subscribers, if you ain't subscribed to my channel, and if you want to see more of my content, what I do with my RC cars and stuff, the only thing you have to do, hit that subscribe button, then tap that notification bell to all, so you can get all the notifications from me when I upload them videos on YouTube. And you will be the first to get notified to watch my videos, guys. Well, I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good day.